Chapathi with cabbage curry is really delicious. A very simple and quick cabbage recipe in 30 minutes. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 3 dry red chillies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame. Now add half cup of grated coconut. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder and add some water, then grind it smoothly into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a cooker, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida Powder. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add 2 chopped onion, some curry leaves. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add 2 chopped tomato and saute it for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 250 grams of chopped cabbage. Add 1 cup of soaked Toor Dal. We have soaked Toor Dal for 30 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes. Now add the grounded paste. Also 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Now add 300 ml or 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for 1 whistle. Then 3 whistles on low flame. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame, but keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Again switch on the flame. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook for 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame. Our tasty cabbage curry for chapati is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.